off the pavement, you walk me to the car, and you know I wanna ask you to dance right there in the middle of the parking lot. Yeah. Birthday, Mary.
Birthday, Mary.
Driving down the road, I wonder if you know I'm trying so hard not to get caught up now. It sure is so cool when your hand through your hair, absent-mindedly making me want you. And I don't know how it gets better than this. You take my hand and drag me head first, fearless. And I don't know.
Today's a remarkable day for you. Not that you're just simply born, but today, 17 years ago, you started giving out happiness to your family. Feel blessed this day because you're one of those who has never been selfish and self-centered. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless. We love you. From Nate.
Happy birthday, Mary. Mary.
We want to thank you for the 18 years.
Wait, 17 pa lang.
For the 17 years.
Ikat mo lang yan
With the 17
Sino tumatawag sa'yo?
With the 17 years you've been with us.
With us talaga.
We want to congratulate you for graduating high school.
Happy birthday, Mary. Ano yung pag natin 1,000 eh. 1,000.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sabaw? Ang sabaw naman ginagawa natin. Happy birthday, Mary. Napakatanda mo na. Halata naman sa mukha mo.
Mary, may sinabi siya sa ilong.
Tawagin yun. Happy birthday, Mary.
Sana tuloy.
Happy birthday. Yun lang. Bye-bye.